Hey friends, dropping in amidst the chaos to share a quick haul video with you. I got this parcel from Ellie Edwards like last week, and I'm just getting around to this now. I subscribed to her new scrapbooking kit. It's a quarterly subscription. And the theme is shapes. So this one is circles, and there is 12 by 12 papers in it. There's 6 by 8, and then there is embellishments. So here we have acetate circles. I am so excited about this kit. There's 3 of them in it. So there's one with just a circular pattern. This base is eventually going to be part of a project too, but it was on my desk, so I pulled it out. So circles, of course, and then just a plain one. Oh, it's got kind of, oh, it's watercolor. I thought it was just plain white for a second. And then the last one in the kit is this polka dot, or in the acetate pack anyways. So there's these 3, super pretty. I like the colors. I'm a real fan of like a coral color, one of my favorites. Put that aside. There are these large chipboard circles, and as far as I understand it, they all nest. So there's different sizes and multiple pieces that go along with it. I'll open it up really quick too, so we can all look at them, or look at everything that is in it. So this matters. Oh, 3 of this matters. Maybe 4. There's 4 of them. And then there's, so that's kind of like a bluish gray kind of tone. What would you call that? It looks blue to me. It reads blue. And then there's this pink, love this. And there's 4 of those as well. Repetition is always good. I try and always add repetition to my projects as well. Shapes or images, phrases even, just about anything is good. But it's, something about it is aesthetically pleasing to our eye, and so that's why I try and add it to my crafting. And I know that Allie does too. So these ones are, they feel like pleather or something. They're soft and you can move them around, manipulate them. They're probably easy to cut if you wanted to cut them in half. Oop. So a pink, love this. And as far as I understand, yeah, they all have a backing on them because they're all stickers. Yellow. This is real life with a star in the center, and then documenting the everyday in gray with a camera. Super cute. I love these. So as I kind of mentioned at the beginning of my video, life has become chaotic. I mean, it always was. Who's, you know, that's just part of my everyday. But stuff is getting real. The who are they called? The restoration company is coming soon to fix my house. If you weren't aware, we experienced a house fire May long. Luckily, it wasn't too severe. It was nothing really bad, but the entire backside of my house needs some fixing up. So they're coming out the middle of this month to start that. I have some other minor renovations happening here in the next couple of weeks as well. And then we're listing. And it sounds like our realtor has 2 people lined up already. So hopefully it'll be a quick sale. And that means we can get relocated. So having said all that, you may not see me very often here on my channel in the next little while, just because of life and stuff going on. I have started packing already too, so that's Pardon me, I'm having my tea. That's also filling up the rest of my time. These remind me of tacos. I just thought of it now. I was going to call them tacos, but they're not. They're obviously half circles. I'm going to open it up so we can have a little peek. Oh, and these are fabric. How fun is this? So this story matters. This. And then a couple. Sorry, I got interrupted there because my timer went off. I have timers set throughout the day so that I can remember to get my daughter to test her blood sugars. So sorry for that. There's highs and lows. Love. Love, 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 love. I like that. That's cute. This is everything. Oh, and these are all adhesive backed as well. There's the release paper. Love. Good times. A green polka dot. Life looks like this, and then like a peachy polka dot. So pretty. So many goodies. I don't really know where to start. I'm going to put those away later. And then there is a sticker sheet. I think there's just one sheet in here, but they're all circles and they are all patterned. And let's just see here. I'm pretty sure it's just one sheet. Yeah. Oh, and they're clear. Look at that. How fun is that? So that's those. Get back in there. Okay, now the paper. Oh, that's a fun pattern. I will have DT layouts coming up in the near future. If you don't see anything else from me, at least those will still be posted for the time being. I have one coming up on Wednesday, so watch for that. Really nice yellow polka dot. Oh, and by the way, these are double-sided. Yay! And then a circular pattern that says love repeatedly. Really pretty overlapping circle, half circle pattern. Excuse me. And then that's cute. I could see these being fussy cut out and then journaled on. Even if you are like a pocket page scrapbooker or like a week in the life, I could see your weeks being put on this as well. I could see these being fussy cut out. I really like the watercolor look. Oh, and I like that pattern too, and the colors. Black and white polka dot. These are larger random dots, and then the pie. These are so popular right now. So there's that paper, and last but not least, which is the big thing for Ellie Edwards products, is the 12 by 12 papers. This is something new to her, and this is the reason why I signed up for the subscription, because I really wanted to test her products out and use them in my crafting, because I've been admiring her from afar for quite a while. And when she came out with this, pardon me, excuse the noise, I knew that I wanted to, this was the way to get started. So we're gonna look at her 12 by 12 papers. I just destroyed that big, but that's okay. So kind of a red polka dot and super simple circles to cut out. If you really wanted a really simple scrapbook layout to make as well, I could see plunking photos in some of these circles as well, and you have like a ready-made layout. Put the title in here or something, or a photo right in the center, and then embellish all of these circles, and presto. Super quick and super simple. Or of course, fussy cut them out. Watercolor circles. This is really pretty. Hugs and kisses, story of today, this story, this moment I want to remember. Really good. I like that green. You don't see too much green and pattern papers in collections, do you? That and purples. So it's nice seeing, well, I think at least anyways, it's nice seeing a green. And then another random dot pattern paper, and the flip side of this is this really nice mishmash of circles as well that could be fussy cut out, left hole. I like it all. So I thought I would just pop on and share that with you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in subscribing to the Ellie Edwards scrapbooking kits, I believe you still can do that. But if you subscribe to one, you are automatically agreeing to receive all of them. It's quarterly, so you'll only get it a couple of times a year. But you can't just subscribe to one and then opt out of the others. You need to subscribe for the remainder of the year. So this is the second kit. The first kit was squares. This one is circles. No, the first one was hearts, pardon me. Hearts, this one is circles. And then I guess time will tell what the other two kits are for this year. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave the link to Ellie Edwards' shop in the description box down below so you can go check out her scrapbooking kits or just go check out her website. Anyways, definitely check her out on YouTube. I absolutely love watching her videos and her outlook on life and her views on things. I think she's an A+ lady. Mad love for her. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I will be back again, hopefully soon, with more creative inspiration. Bye, friends.